In our solar system, one planet burns hotter than all the others combined. Surprisingly, it's not Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Instead, Venus holds the crown as the true furnace of our system. Venus is often called Earth's twin, but its surface is hellish. Covered by thick clouds, Venus traps heat with unstoppable force. This creates a greenhouse effect far beyond anything on Earth. Imagine a world where lead melts like ice in the sun. Temperatures here soar to over 465 degrees Celsius every single day. Even spacecraft that land quickly burn out under its harsh heat. Venus isn't just hot, it's the hottest place in our entire neighborhood. This raises the question, how can a planet be hotter than Mercury? The answer lies within Venus's thick and deadly carbon dioxide atmosphere. At first glance, Mercury should be the hottest, since it's closest to the Sun. But Mercury has almost no atmosphere to hold on to solar heat. Its surface is scorched by day, but freezing cold by night. Temperatures on Mercury range from 430 degrees Celsius to minus 180 degrees Celsius in darkness. Venus, however, has a thick blanket of atmosphere, trapping the heat in. This keeps Venus roasting evenly, day and night, across its surface. The clouds act like a pressure cooker, locking in all sunlight. No other planet can match this constant, deadly heat trap. That's why Venus outshines Mercury as the solar system's true furnace. Venus proves distance from the Sun isn't everything. It's atmosphere that counts. Its greenhouse effect makes Venus the ultimate symbol of planetary fire. Scientists often call Venus the perfect example of runaway heating gone wild. Venus's atmosphere is made of 96% carbon dioxide, thick, suffocating and dense. This gas traps heat with terrifying efficiency, far worse than Earth's gases. Above this choking air, sulfuric acid clouds swirl endlessly. These clouds reflect sunlight, making Venus bright, but still unbearably hot. The surface pressure is crushing, about 92 times stronger than Earth's. Imagine standing under the weight of a kilometre-deep ocean. Combine this pressure with toxic air, and survival is impossible here. Venus is the textbook example of a runaway greenhouse atmosphere gone wrong. Scientists study it to understand climate dangers on Earth. The planet is both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. No other world in our solar system feels so utterly alien. This is why Venus remains one of the most studied planets today. Beneath the thick atmosphere lies a world of endless volcanic plains. Venus's surface is covered by lava flows stretching across continents. Volcanoes, mountains, and plateaus dominate this hellish rocky terrain. Radar images reveal giant volcanoes taller than Earth's Everest. The ground is dry, cracked, and constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. Sulfuric acid rains down from the skies, evaporating before hitting ground. The horizon glows dimly orange, lit by scattered sunlight filtered through clouds. It's a landscape where no human could survive even a minute. Soviet landers like Venera only lasted minutes before melting. Their photos gave us our first look at this nightmare world. Rocks appear orange and crushed under the crushing air pressure. Every image confirms Venus as a world straight out of hell. Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most planets. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to complete a full orbit around the Sun. This means a single Venus day is longer than a Venus year. Scientists still debate why Venus rotates so strangely and slowly. Some think massive impacts in the past flipped its direction. Others believe the thick atmosphere caused tidal forces that slowed it. Standing on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west, and it would set in the east, the opposite of Earth. This bizarre rotation adds to the alien nature of Venus. It's as if Venus was designed to defy all normal rules. Exploring Venus is one of the toughest challenges for space agencies. The Soviet Union's Venera missions made the first landings on Venus. They survived only minutes before being destroyed by heat and pressure. Yet they sent back the first haunting photos of Venus's surface. NASA also flew probes like Magellan to map Venus by radar. Magellan revealed mountains, craters, and massive lava plains. New missions like Veritas and Da Vinci are planned to explore again. They'll study Venus's geology, atmosphere, and search for volcanic activity. Each mission brings us closer to unlocking Venus's deadly secrets. But so far, Venus has proven to be nearly impossible to conquer. Engineers must design machines that can survive extreme conditions. Venus challenges our very limits of technology and endurance. Venus is more than a hot planet. It's a warning for Earth. Its runaway greenhouse effect shows what unchecked warming can cause. Scientists use Venus to study the future of Earth's climate. On Earth, rising carbon dioxide levels mirror Venus in small ways. Venus proves that once a greenhouse effect runs away, it's unstoppable. That's why studying Venus is critical for protecting our own planet. Earth may never reach Venus's extremes, but the lesson is clear. Climate balance is fragile and must never be ignored. Space exploration isn't just about discovery, it's about survival too. By understanding Venus, we understand how to save Earth. This is why Venus is both terrifying and valuable for us. The planet of fire is also the planet of warning. Venus, our closest planetary neighbour, is both beautiful and deadly. It shines brightly in our night skies, but hides a nightmare below. The hottest planet teaches us about extremes in the solar system. Its toxic air, crushing pressure, and endless heat make survival impossible. Venus remains one of the most fascinating and dangerous worlds to study. Future missions will continue to unlock its hidden mysteries. Each discovery about Venus also teaches us something about ourselves. The story of Venus is a story of survival and warning. If you enjoyed this journey into the hottest planet, stay tuned. We have countless more space adventures to share with you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Join us again as we continue exploring the universe together.